CSW, and we just got something in the mail and I wanted to share it with you all. So let's get this thing open. So this is what we got in the mail, and they're called pudding keycaps made by HyperX. And you can use these keycaps to customize your keyboards, and then these look really cool and I can't wait to put them on my keyboard. Also, this video is not sponsored. Let's move on. So this is the keyboard I am currently using, and this is what it looks like before we put the pudding keycaps on. This is a Redragon keyboard, and there's different modes that you can put it on that can change the color and do really cool stuff when you press function and then any number on this one. For example, when you press this, it can make like a cycling of colors or just one color. And then when I do this, it just like different colors. And yeah, there's different modes that you can put on this one. It's like really cool. So firstly, we have a guide on where the numbers and where the keys can go. And then we have 3 sets of the keys, and they look like they're very tightly sealed, which is good because now we know that they're secure and that they're safe. And yeah, they look really cool. So these are one of the pudding caps, and it's really cool because it has a black on top and clear on the bottom so that the light can shine brighter, and that has a really cool display. And comparing this to that key on my keyboard, this one is more smooth while this one has more grip, which is good. And also it comes with a key puller, which allows you to pull the key so you can switch the keys out. So now you guys, we will be replacing the normal keys with the pudding keycaps, and I'm going to be using the key puller that was included, and my sister's going to be helping me with that. Hi! Let's get started. You have to get the provided keycap puller and choose the key that you want to pull out, and then you have to put it down in the middle on the key and make sure that it clicks. And then you have to hold it down so that the keyboard doesn't fly up. And then you have to pull it up straight, like this. Like that. And then now you got it out. Perfecto! Now this is what it looks like with the keycaps removed, and underneath the keycaps are these things called brown switches. And now let's put in the pudding caps. Now that I put all the pudding caps that I wanted to put in my desired spaces, as for the C, I wanted it to make it special since it's the first letter of my name. So I'm using this different keycap set, and I'm using the color Razor Green for the C. There we go. Now this is the finished product of my keyboard with its new keycaps. So here is one mode. Then if I type, it looks really cool. There's another mode. This is a new effect. And finally, here's one of the other modes too. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Also, please follow us on our TikTok account called C4 Hit the Floor. Special thanks to Camille for helping me put these keycaps on my keyboard. Okay, have a great day. Bye! So, first you have have to use the provided keycap puller, and then you have to put it on the key that you want to pull out, and you have to press down until it clicks like that. And then also you have to hold the keyboard down so it doesn't fly out. And you have to use your finger and pull it straight up.